Hello everyone, welcome to jobskillshare.org. One of the things that we have started is to inform our members because we have so many now about any security flaws, and you may be aware of the one that's the major one right now, which is Spectre and Meltdown. Basically, it's like design flaw, which a manufacturer created some chips and billions of devices are using that, and there's a flaw in that. Somebody found out, some super smart people. Now, the thing about it is that how much you should be worried about this. I mean, it's like none. I would say, it's pretty much if someone wants to hack you, I'm talking about you as a normal person like me and you, would be a very, I don't know. I mean, the chances are just none to me, but anything can happen. Someone can come up with now super cool type of malicious thing, and they can infect millions and millions of people in a few seconds. So yeah, there's a possibility. So, but what you can do is go and type in Google Spectre Meltdown, and there's a lot of articles how to protect yourself. So I'm not gonna go anything in detail. I'm just gonna keep it basics, because I don't know exactly. I don't have other devices to demonstrate or anything to see how you can update yourself, but I just wanted to give information to my members. If you're using Windows 7, 8, and 10, then Microsoft is pushing out a patch automatically, so make sure your Windows update is turned on, and if it's not turned on, then I would recommend you go to your search box in Windows 10, 7, and 8 and type Windows Update like this, and go to Update Settings, and then Update right here. So just click on update, and if it needs a restart, make sure you do that. Next thing you would do is to go to Windows Defender. In Defender, you will click on Open Windows Defender. If you have Windows 7, you will probably do that by searching Windows Defender. 8 the same way, and then you will click on Open Windows Defender like that. It should say your device is protected, and all of that. If let's say, for example, you don't have these check marks and you want to open Defender, just click on this and do a quick scan and make sure you have all the updates right here by protecting updates. So when you click on that, check for updates. Threat definition, you just click on that, and then it's gonna go ahead and start updating your system. If you don't find it that way, you can just go to search again, type Windows Defender, and click on the Windows Defender icon. This opens the front end of the Windows Defender, which is like an antivirus. Then you'll click on update, make sure your date is up to date. You do update definition. Again, this is not going to protect you from both security flaws. It may protect you if you're using Intel system. So if you go to systems and you go to Intel, you can see it's Intel, but this other flaw, I think it's Spectre. I'm not sure about it. I think it's Spectre. It is kind of impacting every single thing, Amazon, AMD, cloud-based systems, mobile devices. So and it's like a flaw in the chip, the way they design this whole thing, like to make computers really fast. But then somebody came up with this way that, okay, now that's they designed it that way, but there's a flaw now. So get prepared, because that cannot be changed right away. The reality is that everybody cannot just go there and replace the hardware. It is going to be just patches like these, that when the things that we're doing, just to at least, if it's going to be 50%, then protect yourself. If it's just by updating your systems, then at least you can take some steps by doing that. What if there is a malicious code that somebody can build, and they can impact so many millions in a few seconds, and you're the one, you just did your update like this, and you're not protected because you just did 2 clicks. So it requires few clicks, and you will be protected from at least something, not all. But I would like you to go Google these two terms, Spectre and Meltdown, and anything that you see to protect yourself. And make sure your sites are well known. So it should be like a CNN and your known sites. Make sure it's HTTPS, whatever you use, to make sure you're not clicking on something like bad sites, because that could, when something like this comes out, that's also an opportunity for people to put bad sites up there, and just pray for it. It's like catching a fish. So you're just basically will have a site over there, will have someone just click on it and then click on download some kind of things. Don't download anything. Download anything from your system. That system that you have already built in Windows updates or Linux updates or whatever you have inside the system. I would do that, but do not download anything from the internet, because that is just a clear thing. You're just gonna get you're gonna be like a fish. Fish right here. Look, there's a fish. Yeah, you're gonna be a fish. So, all right, Take care, guys. Just a quick update. We're going to be doing security things like these just to quickly tell people, because a lot of people are busy in their work life and everything, and you don't want this to be happening to you. Thank you.